Yo, I'm watching this quad. I'm just watching this quad bounce around. We've got beeps, we got tone, fire. And also I'm using my fancy ND4 today. Ooh, it's gold. It's gold. Anyway, we're gonna get a nice little angle of this taken off. Where should we go? Behind? Yeah, we'll go behind. Just so you don't twat me in the face. Damn! I'm gonna send you out there into the unknown. Good luck. It's spitting! Get the kids inside! Just like raindrops. He's issued a challenge to go through that tiny little gap. Is it tall enough, do you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you have to get really low, like
okay.
belly down on the grass, kind of low.
All right.
Let's go through the top bit and see what it's like. You recording? You are recording. Okay.
Props. Oh boy, we are taking chunks out of this today. Holy fuck. God damn, look, my GPS is on the floor. That's not good. Taking chunks out of the wood here. God damn.